Hey there, and welcome to AI Agentica, the channel where we explore the cutting edge world of artificial intelligence. I'm Transformer, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Whether you're new to AI or just curious about how it's shaping our future, you're in the right place. Here at AI Agentica, we dive into everything AI, simplifying complex ideas, exploring its endless possibilities, and understanding how it's transforming industries, everyday life, and even the way we think about technology. So let's kick things off with a basic introduction to artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll break down what actually AI is, how it works, and why it's one of the most exciting fields in technology right now. All right, now that we have introduced AI Agentica and our topic, let's dive into the basics of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Basically, it's about making machines or computers capable of tasks that normally require human intelligence, like understanding speech, recognizing images, making decisions, and even solving problems. Think of it like this. AI allows a machine to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks just like a human would, but often faster and with greater accuracy. We can also break it down into three main types of AI. Number one, artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. Number two, artificial general intelligence, AGI. And number three, artificial superintelligence, ASI. First up, we have artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. This is the AI we see around us today. It's designed to perform specific tasks like recognizing faces, playing chess, or recommending what movie you should watch on your next streaming service. It's intelligent, but only within very narrow scope. Then there is artificial general intelligence. AGI is more like human intelligence, capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like we do. Right now, we haven't reached AGI yet, but researchers are working towards making it a reality. And finally, we have artificial superintelligence, which is the theoretical next step. ASI would surpass human intelligence in every area, from creativity to problem solving. Well, it's not something we have to worry about today. It's a concept that's often discussed in AI's long-term future. Stay tuned as we explore more about how AI is transforming the world and how it might impact your life in the near future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to join me on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence.